In this video, we will review the minimum grid size feature available in DW Spectrum IPVMS. There may be cases where you want to ensure that numerous cameras are displayed on a monitor. Let's say you want to make sure that the security staff monitors more than their car in the parking lot. Minimum grid size controls the size of the layout segments populated by devices when added to the scene space. Let's take a look at how the new layout works with and without minimum grid size enabled. First, we will look at the behavior of a new layout that does not have a minimum grid size. The first camera added to the layout occupies the entire scene space, after which the layout allocates an equal amount of scene space to each new camera. The user can also resize the grids as desired when minimum grid size is turned off. Now let's take a look at a layout with minimum grid size enabled. To activate minimum grid size, add a new layout, then right-click in the scene space. Select the Layout Options menu item. In the center of the pop-up, there is now a switch to turn the feature on or off. With the feature on, you can change the number of vertical and horizontal grids that will occupy the frame's scene space. Select OK to save your changes. With the minimum grid size set to 2x2, the first camera added to the scene space is confined to one of the 2x2 grids. Each additional camera is allocated another portion of the 2x2 scene space. Additionally, unlike the conventional layout, I can no longer change the size of these camera sections. So there you go. Minimum grid size for DW IPVMS layouts. Another example of how version 4.0 increases the flexibility and usability of your DW IPVMS.